Hi everyone! Here's another lovely story about lots of special mummies. In this book, you'll see lots of different animals, and they're telling you why they love their mums. Why I Love My Mummy, illustrated by Daniel Howarth. Why I Love My Mummy, illustrated by Daniel Howarth and published by Harper Children's Books. I love my mummy because she holds my hand. I love my mummy because she takes me to nice places. I love my mummy because she plays with me. I love my mummy because she helps me. I love my mummy because she teaches me. I love my mummy because she is beautiful. I love my mummy because she kisses me better. I love my mummy because she feeds me. I love my mummy because she smells nice. I love my mummy because she gives me a bath. I love my mummy because she sings to me. I love my mummy because she always hugs me. I love my mummy because she helps me sleep at night. Everyone loves their mummy, especially me. There's room at the end of this book to put a picture of you and your mummy. The animals had lots of wonderful reasons for loving their mummy. I wonder if you can tell your teacher some of the reasons that you love your mummy. Perhaps you can draw a picture of something that your mum does for you that you love. Take care, everyone. See you soon.